Hey guys, welcome back to Building Your Own Cyber Lab at Home with Kyle Slawzik. And in this lecture, we're going to talk about VMware Player. Now, VMware Player is VMware's free version of their virtualization software. It really is good. I'm a big proponent of free, but it's lacking some features that the others that you actually pay for really have robust capability. So if you're in a pinch, if you're not willing to spend the $150, $200 on the pro versions of VMware, then VMware Player sounds like it probably is the application for you. So with that, let's hop into the software.
All right, so this is the interface for the VMware Player. Now, VMware Player is, as I said earlier, is VMware's free version. There's a couple of caveats to that, though. First and foremost, VMware Player, and you can see it in the top here, is for non-commercial use only, so personal use only. The interface, as you can see, does look quite different than VMware Workstation. It doesn't have as many features as VMware Workstation. A lot more of the advanced features like file sharing and guest isolation, encryption, and even snapshots are not available on VMware Player. So it really is a bare bones, very minimum kind of virtualization software. But it works just the same way as VMware Workstation. So if you don't care about encryption, you don't care about you don't care about guest isolation and whatnot, then hey, VMware Player is free. It might be worthwhile for you. Just make sure that you're not using it in a commercial setting. Let's go through it just like we have in the others. We'll talk about creating your new virtual machine. Same wizard as you've seen in the past, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this. Um, We'll click next. And we'll name it here, and we'll split the drive into multiple files with a 20 gig drive, and we'll hit finish. And you can see, just like in the previous ones, it looks pretty standard. Same thing booting up and everything. But so, just like in the others, I'm going to go ahead and stop it because I have already created one of these. I've already created a Ubuntu version. So let's just take a look at it real quick. We'll click on Player, and we'll go to Manage and Virtual Machine Settings. And this looks pretty familiar, right? Here's your memory, processors, hard drive, all the hardware. And you can see when we look at the options, there are quite a few less options than there were in VMware Workstation. So it is a very minimal program, but again, it works. So, and it's free. So that's it. That's VMware Player. We'll talk next, I think, about VirtualBox, which is Oracle's solution to virtualization and a much more robust free system. So we'll see you in the next lecture.